How to fix timeline not working in Openshot. Is your timeline in Openshot not responding? Clips won't move or nothing plays? It might look like a bug, but you can usually fix it with a few quick checks. Start by saving your project, then close and reopen Openshot. A simple restart often resets the timeline functionality. If that does not work, look at the View tab in the top menu. Make sure the timeline is enabled. If it's unchecked, your timeline won't appear or respond. Next, confirm that you are not stuck on a locked track. Look to the left of the timeline track. If there's a small lock icon, make sure it's not active. A locked track can prevent edits or dragging clips. Use the zoom slider in the bottom right to zoom back in. Have you ever had a timeline freeze in the middle of editing? Share your story in the comments below. Once your timeline is back to normal, editing becomes smooth again. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.